Hi everyone, Erica here, and thank you so much for your interest in our 14-day Walking with Wildflowers adventure in the Outback. I just want to tell you a little bit more about it, and I thought I'd just do it in person through a video and it would be easier. So this 14-day adventure starts in Perth, and we go to Mount Lusua, to the Lusua National Park, and we walk there, we camp. The second, third, and fourth day we spend in Kalbarri. We walk the Murchison Gorge, we camp on the gorge, so there will be a bit of support there with water drops, and we'll be carrying all our equipment onto the gorge. On the fifth day we drive to Malawa. In Malawa, the geology of Malawa brings together two different geological areas, and the wildflowers there are really, really special. Lusua also has 900 or something different variations of wildflowers. Then we spend the night, that night after Malawa, walking in Malawa, we spend the night in a wild camping ground on our way to Gascoigne Junction. In Gascoigne Junction, we will have a meal, maybe have showers, and get ready to spend a couple of nights in the Kennedy Range. The Kennedy Range was not even on our plan to include in this tour, but I went there. I thought I'd stop there on my way up to Mount Augustus, and it really is very special. The walks aren't very long, but the area, it has got a really beautiful energy, and it's, we'll really, and there's a lot of walking that you can do around there and to explore the wildflowers. In Mount Augustus, we're also going to spend a couple of nights. We'll be climbing up to the summit, and there will be also options for you to do shorter walks because there are a lot of different walks all around that area. It's a very special place. We'll be camping, and there are some options to have a night in accommodation, but you need to tell me in time if you want to do that. And then we drive up to Karijini. So we're going to spend 3 nights at the eco retreat in Karijini. That is just magic, just spending time in that setting is really beautiful. And then we're going to walk through those ancient gorges. We're going to climb Mount Bruce, another spectacular hike. That's the second highest mountain in WA. It's really very special. The camping, we have wilderness equipment tents. They are very good tents. We're going to provide mats as well, and we're going to be doing all the cooking. We will stop at different places to eat as well. We're not just going to do all the cooking ourselves. And we have some meals that we are taking already prepared. And we'll have some dehydrated stuff so that we can keep the weight really light in the Murchison Gorge. Anyway, we have a Zoom call on Sunday night, the 27th at 6 p.m. West Australia time. And join us. Ask me directly, what are your questions? What do you want to know? We've kept the price to the absolute minimum that we can to have that quality of staff to support good vehicles and the flights back from Paraburdoo when we finish the trip. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you at the Zoom call.